GXAI stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Gaxos.AI stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Having done well over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me, what's not. You know, no one else has come even close to doing those sort of numbers. And I've done this for 5 years straight, documenting what's working, collecting the data. With this thing, seems like we did like a triple bottom, so didn't quite grab the whole liquidity that's down there, which is interesting. You know, food for thought. Pumped up very freaking nicely. Like in a situation like this, most of the times I would be just here trying to double myself down, you know, and just milk the most that I can out of this trend. But it just needs to give me the precise confirmation, like a precise one. And if it does not happen, then there's just no way that I'm buying. You know, if it's precise one, then I know, you know, there's high chance this just continues to milk. Because guess who's been here doing this for 45,000 videos? For me. So I'll much rather stick to my rules. And if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.